model of solar eclipse. When the moon comes in between sun and the earth, moon shadows falls on the earth. This is called a solar eclipse. Thank you.